The big concerns that customers often have when they come to the store, let's say somebody comes in, their phone won't turn on, or they have no image, or it's severely damaged. Customers take things very seriously. So if they had their kid's birthday pictures, an old voicemail from a relative, things of that nature, they're coming in a potentially stressful state, and we want to reassure them that, hey, we've got the best guys to complete this, and we've got all this training, and here's some expectations as to what's going to happen. We want you to know we have some awesome options for you, and we want you to feel secure and comfortable.
So when a customer comes in, I know that they're either in some kind of turmoil or stressed out about the situation. So I make it to where, hey, I understand, this is yours. And when they come in, most of the time they don't even know what's wrong with their phone. They just know they dropped it and it's cracked. Do I lose all my pictures? What I lose? As soon as they come in here, I let them know immediately that I know what I'm talking about.
The consumer's biggest fear is the quality of the repair. Is that device going to work long term? Is a repaired or refurbished device as good as a new device?
Content, whether it's pictures of trips they've taken, whether it's text messages, because a lot of people get business done on their phones. I mean, it's a lot of our population literally relies on their mobile device to get work done, to snap pictures of when they're on trips or having a good time. So a lot of people are just concerned that their content's going to remain on their phone untouched, and that they are getting a quality repair, that their device is going to continue to work like it did.